This is me. I wake up every morning between 6 to 6:30. Head to the kitchen. Feed the dog, prepare my coffee, sit in front of computer, chat with my coworker of 25 years. More like a friend than business partner though. We talk about work, sometimes about life's obstacles. And then I continue working. Then I take a break, prepare lunch, clean the kitchen, continue working. And next day, the same. Day after, the same. It's just like being stuck in my own version of Groundhog Day. And then one day, I stop. I ask myself, wait a minute, is it life so boring? Or is me who stopped participating to it? Who stopped noticing it? We go through our routine on autopilot. We do the same things over and over and over, and we call it life. But in the process, we start missing things, even small things. We don't notice the birds singing in a garden that once we loved. We don't even notice the plant, the trees in the neighborhood that all of a sudden is full of fruits. We don't look at the park in a neighborhood that once we loved and dreamed of living in. We get bored of wearing the same dress, the same color every day. But then we live the same life without even thinking of adding some color to it. Maybe life is not boring. Maybe we just stop participating to it. Most of us, we keep waiting. We wait for that big things that can bring some excitement to our life. We wait for changing the city, a new job, a new neighborhood, perhaps even a new relationship. But what if that excitement that we are waiting for is not in the future at all? What if the key to feeling alive is not about the big dramatic changes, but is about willing to break those small little habits today? You don't need to move to another city or country to feel something new. You just need to walk in a different path. You don't need a new wardrobe or changing your entire style. Just wear something bold, something unexpected. You don't need a new life. You need a new way to look at what you already have. At the end of the day, life is happening outside of us, with or without our participation. The life is evolving, happening, moving. Seasons are shifting. The question is, are we going to be a part of it? Or perhaps we are just watching from the sidelines. Do we wake up and repeat? Or do we wake up and disrupt? Do we wait for the life to change? Or are we going to change the way that we show up in life? Are we waiting for the life to color our experiences? Or are we going to take control of the colors that we are going to add to our life? Change something, anything. Try a different food, walk in a different path. Say yes to something weird, to something unexpected. See how it feels. Because more you shake up the small things, more you realize your life wasn't boring. You didn't just notice it. And waking up is up to you.